Welcome to Lingo Lisa. This course, called A Journey in English, is exactly that, a journey. Learning a new language is one of the most rewarding journeys a person can undertake. English as a second language classes are designed to open doors, bridge cultures, and empower individuals with the ability to communicate, connect, and grow. Whether you are a new arrival in an English-speaking country, a professional seeking to expand your opportunities, or simply someone passionate about learning languages, this ESL class is your gateway to a world of possibilities. I utilize different methods in this course, from improving vocabulary to a sprinkling of grammar. But I have found one of the best ways to learn any language is through sentence patterns and repeating these sentences just as we did as a child. This not only helps to learn how to form sentences in English, but also teaches correct pronunciation. Sentence pattern learning works because it improves the following: reading skills. As you read the sentence on the screen, you get an idea of how English is spelled. You will come across words in English like the verb to read. The present tense of the first person pronoun is I read. However, the past tense of the verb is I read. Spelled the same, but two completely different pronunciations. Audio skills. As you hear me pronounce words, you get an idea how words sound in English. Of course, I have an American accent, and British or Australian pronunciation may vary a little, but for the most part, the basics of the English language is the same. Speaking skills. As you repeat sentences, your tongue becomes accustomed to speaking not only words, but also flows and patterns. Repetition is not boring. It's how we learned growing up and is an essential component to language learning. Where are you going? Where are you going? I go home right after school. I go home right after school. She always goes to the store on Saturday. She always goes to the store on Saturday. We usually go to the park on the weekends. We usually go to the park on the weekends. They hardly ever go to the beach. They hardly ever go to the beach. You go shopping twice a week. You go shopping twice a week. The dog goes everywhere with her. The dog goes everywhere with her. In English, the verb to go, in the simple present tense, is often paired with adverbs like always, often, or usually, followed by a noun. Without an adverb, I go to the store can sound incomplete. To express a current action with the verb go on its own, English speakers typically use the present progressive. I am going to the store. This tense is used more often in English than in Italian or Spanish. Another common practice in the English language is the use of contractions. Sentences like I am become I'm. and are often used with the present progressive tense ending in ing. For instance, I am going becomes I'm going. I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, she is, it is, he's, she's, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. I'm going to the dentist tomorrow. I'm going to the dentist tomorrow. You're going to church this Sunday. You're going to church this Sunday. It's not going well. It's not going well. He's going to the party Friday night. He's going to the party Friday night. We're going to Mexico next year, but they're going to Italy. We're going to Mexico next year, but they're going to Italy. To go, negative sentences. I don't go. You don't go. He, she doesn't go. We don't go. They don't go. I'm not going. You're not going. He, she isn't going. We're not going. They're not going. List of nouns. School, hospital, church, park, store, market, library, museum, airport, train station, bus stop, restaurant, cafe, hotel, bank, post office, gym, beach, movie theater, mall, shopping center, stadium, zoo, pharmacy, university, theater, dentist, doctor's office, bakery, butcher shop, hair salon, barbers, barbershop, playground, nightclub, gas station, courthouse. Mario blank to the barbers today. Is going, are going, go. The answer is going. I want blank to the park. Go, to go, goes. The answer is I want to go to the park. She blank to the hair salon every week. Goes, go, are going. The answer is she goes to the hair salon every week. They blank to Argentina next month. Goes, is going, are going? And the answer is they are going to Argentina next month. We usually blank to the bank on Fridays. Goes, are going, go. The answer is we usually go to the bank on Fridays. He doesn't blank to the gym every day. Go, going, goes. The answer is he doesn't go to the gym every day.